someone like me who love to make money daily, I tell you, taking advantage of the crypto arbitrage is just the best option which you can take. And in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could take other privilege on trading crypto arbitrage between an exchange and the other. Mind you, you know that crypto arbitrage is just a price discrepancy between a particular exchange and another exchange. And today, I'll be sharing with you how you could possibly trade BTC from a particular exchange and sell in another particular exchange in higher price. This is my Bybit account, and currently you could see that BTC is currently trading at around 104,020, which you can see here. Yeah, this is it, and it's still increasing. And when we move down to mine, and I will be showing another exchange where I'll be able to buy way cheaper. Mind you, you need to be very fast for this particular trade to work for you. And let me be showing another exchange. Let me log in. And in this particular exchange, you can see that BTC is trading at around at a very lesser price. At a very lesser price here. At 103, 990. Let's say, let's calculate so that we will not really run at loss. Let's quickly calculate and see our profit margin. 104. This Bybit now 104,039, 104,039 minus, let's look at next exchange, and 103,90, 103,990. Mining will be making around 49 USDT, and I've actually made it, try it once. I was able to make around 100. You know, the market is always going up and always coming down. So one thing you just have to do is to come to this MEX exchange. If you don't have a link or you don't have a MEX exchange, I'll be dropping my referral link in this particular YouTube video. You could actually use the link to join. One of the best thing or you need to do when trading crypto arbitrage is that you have to get registered on a lot of verified exchange. So what I'll just be doing is you come to a particular exchange here, you buy cryptocurrency here, then you now send. After you send, you have to send down to Bybit here, and you come here and sell. Or likewise, you can send it to your Binance account. This way, if you're able to do it quickly on multiple period of time, you'll be able to make quick amount of money. If you do this really helpful, please kindly like, share, and remember to subscribe on this our YouTube channel so that we could get notified anytime we upload other interesting video like this. Thank you.